Side road shares close at their minimum levels in approximately 14 months on Thursday, as the risk of a by the government shut added to broad depositor anxiety. Losses fast about afternoon, as Republicans told CEO Donald Trump card would not mark the present draft to foundation the by the government. Shares rebounded a bit but bring down once again as Mr. Trump card tell on his judgment. The dark blue chip Dow Jones code sank 2%, time the S&P 500 and the technology-heavy Nasdaq ended on 1.6% reduce. The three main indexes are now downward 6% or more than with the begin of 2018. Mr. Trump card's declaration on Thursday how he will not mark a financing draft out of more than cash for boundary safety added to the trouble on world increase, growing concern rates and trading how include rocked markets in latter weeks. Time the endangered by the government shut would influence just a little proportion of operative, it could yet have a shave on dollar off GDP for every 1 week the by the government is close, on to analysts at S&P World Ratings. The is not the way to circle in the feast time of year and the new year, they told. Those declines were led by the power segment, that was grappling in a 5% drop in oil prices. On the Dow, Walgreens Shoes Association was the largest losing, acrobatics more than rather than 4% following accountability weaker than expected quarter income, managed in portion by muted consumer demand in the UK. On environment, the Fed back up enlarged its standard concern bet by percent, for such a growth the year. The judgment fueled a sell-off in U.S. markets, that was accompanied on Thursday by losses in Asia and Europe.